On, guys, today I'm going over my target trade. Today is Friday, June 13th. I'm going to talk about why I shorted target today. So here we go. Let's just go back. Let's replay the day. Let's go right into open, see what's going on here. So first thing I noticed is that there was a 15-minute order block at this sell high. And I also noticed that during yesterday's session, we gapped down and broke structure on the 15-minute. Also, we broke structure here, we broke structure here. So we were looking to take this move. Let's go back into the 1 minute. I noticed, that's what I noticed, that's what I was looking for. So I waited till we tapped this zone. And honestly, guys, I wish I entered right around this zone. So as this first drop it did, I could have entered right about here, which honestly didn't have my charts open to enter a sell on my phone. So another thing I liked is when we did initially take this drop, you know, we filled this this gap that was formed. So you guys know I love gap fills, so that's what I took. So I ended up entering at probably the worst possible spot. I put my stop loss notification here. I put my stop loss above this sell high, and I took this trade. Now, as soon as I entered, boom, we were in a loss. Then it pumped down, came down to this zone, and I waited. Boom, we had a super nice move. So what did I do, guys? Stop loss, break even, notification at the gap, and let this trade ride out. And then what happened during? Just continued to go down. I think I closed it right around here because I do like taking 30% on my option play, which was a $1.64 move down. Great trade to end the week. Actually, the only trade that made me up this whole week. So thanks to Target. Ended up filling this liquidity and then taking more. So could have been targeting this 96.45 level. I did not have time for that. And it went all the way down to this 94.82 level. So, yep, that was a trade. I will be going live maybe next week, so you guys can watch me live trade my big positions. And I hope you guys do check that out. I'll see you next time. Later.